Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E 9130E series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your computer are connected to the same network. Open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Close the scanner. Now what we want to do is to scan to the computer using the printer screen. So select scan. Then you scroll, you will see scan to email, scan to cloud, scan to network folder, scan to USB, scan to computer. So select scan to computer using HP scanner software. So if you want to scan to computer, you need to download HP Universal Scan full features and driver recommended. Then you select download. It's installing. Congrats, your download has started in your browser window. We are installing HP Universal Scan download. Select open. It's extracting. Select yes. Let's get started. Let's begin install scanner. Then select continue. Accept licensing agreement. Select next. HP Scan Basic Device Software. Installing. So this process is if you want to scan to computer from the printer. Automatic setup or manual setup, auto setup recommended. Select next. You find the printer and the address, then you need to select on it, then select next. Checking the environment, then select next. HP device setup process 1, 2, 3 is getting ready. Do you want to enable scan to computer by default after installation? Then you select yes. And it will show you the computer. Then you select next. You can see it's getting ready. The software is installed and your device is connected. Then you select finish. You will see this information. HP OfficeJet Scan to computer is enabled. Then you select finish. Now, if you want to scan document to the computer, then you go to the scanner, stick the document that you want to scan, then select scan, scroll down, select scan to computer. It will show you the laptop from the list. It will show the laptop that is available. Then you select the laptop, accessing HP. Now from here, you select save as PDF, save as JPEG, email as PDF, email as JPEG, everyday scan. So select save as PDF, go to the settings, resolution 300 dpi, portrait, original scan one-sided, then go back, then select send, save as PDF, Here we go. This is the document. Okay, and this is the document. Open it up. This is the document we scanned. This is one page. If you want to scan the second one, open the glass and stick the document. Close it. So select add, scan the document. Document is scanning. And this is the document. We will open up the file. So this is the document we scanned. Here it is. So this is how to scan to computer. You can print this document out, save it. And once you're done, then you select done. You want to print this document that we scanned. You just need to select print. Then select the actual printer. Scroll down and make sure you select the correct printer. Print on one side. Then select print. HP OfficeJet Pro. Select print. This is the document we scanned the computer and printed it out. The second document is printing as well. This is the document. We scanned this to computer and printed it out. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to scan document to the computer, print it out and save it to the computer. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.